everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabby, and today I'm really excited to unbox my new Dagne Dover with you. I got the Landon extra small in the blue plaid color, and I also got a navy blue hunter, the small size. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like. So I got the hunter toiletry bag in small in the color Storm, which is it's a navy blue color. And then I got the Landon Carryall extra small in blue plaid. They were packed like this. They fit perfectly in a, I would say this is like a bigger, like I guess medium-sized box, and this did ship via UPS. They wrapped it nicely. Oh, it's so pretty. So here's the Landon. So it is made of a neoprene material, which is very cool. I've never used a bag made of this material before, but I did want something a little smaller to just carry around the essentials, especially now with the pandemic going on. I'm not going out nearly as often as I used to, so I don't need to be carrying a ton of stuff with me. I really just need the essentials like my keys, my wallet, my EpiPen, and you know, some random things like chapstick or a snack. So this I think will be a perfect size. I really like that they have, this is styrofoam? Well, I like that they have padding on like all these areas, and they also covered the zippers in paper to protect it. Let's take this all off. Okay, so I did undo the little straps on this side, and now I really like that there is a little strap here. It says Dagne Dover on it. And it keeps the two straps together, so yeah, I can just carry it like this, but it also has, and let me undo this so I can show you. It also has two D-rings on opposing sides, because you can also use this as a crossbody, which I will probably be doing. Oh, it's got a little dust bag on the inside. Oh, this is really cute. It's in like a beige camo. It says Dagne Dover on it. Super cute. So when I'm not using this bag, it'll be in here. And then this big thing of plastic in there, and a little silica gel, which I will throw away because I don't want my pets eating this. And oh, here we go. So here's the strap to make it a crossbody. So I'll put that. Oh, I really like that this is made of metal, because usually these are made of plastic, but I mean, the fact that this is metal means that this is going to be like, it's going to last a lot longer, which is awesome. Also, the sun just went behind clouds, so that's why the lighting just changed randomly. Okay, this is so cool. So the inside looks like, ooh, as the little keychain thing comes out. So the inside looks like this. So it's plaid. I like that it's plaid on the inside, because then it isn't all like dark blue and, you know, difficult to look through. So it's got a little Velcro pocket on this side. I'm grabbing my iPad as an example. So this is an iPad Pro, the generation before it became like Face ID and all of that. Like, I still have to use my thumb to unlock it. And so this is about 9.2 inches, and oh, it does fit in the bag, but it wouldn't fit in this little Velcro pocket. So the Velcro pocket I would probably use to maybe hold like snacks, or maybe like my mini first aid kit, something like that. I'll show you in another clip like what I will actually be carrying in here. Right now I'm just looking at what's on the inside. It does have two mesh pockets on either side, so one here and one here. I mean, I could probably hold like one of those really tiny water bottles in there, but I usually walk around with my Hydro Flasks, and one is a 32 ounce and the other's a 40. So, you know, if I put this in the purse, it's gonna stick out a little bit, wouldn't be able to close it. And then on the other side, it's also plaid, but you've got a big zipper pocket. And, oh, and in here it's got the card, so cool. It's, you know, pretty small, but again, this is the extra small size, so this isn't supposed to fit, you know, a ton of things. But I really like this, and then it's got the little like keyring attachment, so it's a little D-ring here, and it's stretchy, which is really exciting. So I could just attach my keys onto here, or I could also attach like anything. Like, I'm thinking I'm going to attach maybe the little mesh bag that comes with the Hunter, which I'll show you next. But this is what the blue plaid Landon looks like, an extra small. Also, for size comparison, I'm 5'3". I'm a very petite person, so this is what it looks like next to a tiny person. It's got the Dagne Dover on the front. I love the plaid detailing. Oh, and of course in the back, it's got this little cell phone pocket. So let me take my phone. This is an iPhone XS, not the Max. This is the regular size, like, see, compared to my hand, it's not the big one. So if I put it in the pocket, it fits just like that. So it kind of, actually it doesn't really stick out. Like it goes down to like here and it fits all the way, and then, you know, you kind of see it in there, but it's pretty covered up, so that's awesome. I'm gonna put this to the side, and now we're going to open the Hunter in small, the Storm color, which is navy blue. I got it because I thought it would match with the blue plaid the best, and they didn't have a Hunter in blue plaid. So let's take all the little protective papers off. This also has a little, like, you can unbutton the clasps on the side to make it easier to open. There we go. And it is a double zipper, just like the Landon. Okay, oh, this also comes with its own little dust bag. That's so cute. Aw, it's just like a little baby dust bag. And more of the care cards and all that fun stuff. So this is also made of neoprene. So, oh, here we go. Here's the little mesh bag it came with, and it's Velcroed, so you can Velcro it to the back, or because it's got, oh, wait, it doesn't have a D-ring. Never mind, I can't attach it to the keyring, but you can Velcro it to the inside of the Hunter, so it'll just sit in there. So actually, let me take this out so I can show you the inside. The inside, and again, because this is navy blue, it's gonna be a little hard to see inside. Let me see if I can get it to focus. So the inside looks like that. It's got a pocket in the back, and it's got three little, I wonder if I can like put it inside out so I can show you a little better. Okay, so it's got like a little pocket here, and then it's got some loops, which you could use for pens, you could use for chapstick, you know, anything small. And yeah, I mean, other than that, it's got this big pocket on the inside, and it's got the little mesh bag that I would probably put like maybe some extra medications in here, or just something small, like, I don't know, maybe like receipts. I don't know. I've done a what's in my purse before. You can watch that. I posted it last year, I want to say like in February, and in there I show you like everything I carry in my purse, and you will see I carry a lot of things, so I will have to pack lightly. So if you have it open with the clasps undone, it opens pretty wide, and then if you button them back, it also opens up pretty wide, but it is a little limited. So if you wanted to like use some extra space on the sides, you'd have to unbuckle this, but that is fine. I am not planning on carrying a ton of stuff in here, just throwing in the extra necessities. Like, I'll probably throw my EpiPen in here and my inhaler, because I don't really go anywhere without those, and maybe like a granola bar or something. I do have a mini first aid kit, but we'll see. I will, again, I'll show you in the next clip what I do end up carrying in here. But I do want to show you how the small Hunter fits in the extra small Landon. So I'm going to take it. It's not going to fit in either of the pockets. So I'm just going to take it and put it just in the main pocket. And it fits perfectly, but it takes up the entire space. See? Yeah. So anything I put on the side pockets, whether they're this way or this way, I'm gonna be limited. But again, I plan on making this my on-the-go bag, you know, like when I just need to go somewhere quickly. I'm not gonna be carrying all of my stuff in here. I'll show you right now my laptop, which it's a 13-inch MacBook Pro. Absolutely would not fit in here. So, you know, this isn't going to be a work bag of any sort. I am planning on purchasing all the sizes of the Landon Carryall, just because I've heard such good things about them, and I travel a lot, or well, I traveled a lot before, you know, everyone had to stay at home. So this is going to be a great on the go bag. I'm thinking of getting a small as an everyday bag, medium as a work bag, and then large and extra large for traveling to places that, you know, it's not going to be like for a really long time. I'm thinking I could use the extra large for maybe like a week trip or something. But yeah, I am really excited to use this. Hey everyone, I ordered another Landon just because I really liked the extra small one, but I did want something slightly bigger for when I need to carry a little more stuff with me. So it just arrived today and I'm going to unbox the Dagne Dover Landon Small, and I got it in the silver puff. It's very, like, it gives me very like xenon vibes. And I thought it would be really cute to have something that is a bit out of the ordinary from like everything else I have in my collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and we're gonna speed through this one this time because I did take a while doing the first one. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so this one came in a much bigger box, and we've got the invoice, which I'll hold on to for a bit. Here's the bag itself. So yeah, it came nicely wrapped up, and it's wrapped in tissue paper. Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm on Mars. All right, and then it's got, of course, the styrofoam-y stuff covering everything, and then the paper wrapped around the chunky zippers. So I'm gonna remove all that. This is so cute. So this is what it looks like with all the plastic and paper removed. The straps are still, they've still got the little thing that attaches them, except this time it's made of a slightly different material. It's kind of like a plastic puff material similar to this. The front has got the Dagne Dover on it. Also kind of like in an iridescent material, which is really cute. Oh, I forgot to take the paper off the D-rings. So let's pop the handles open and open the inside, which has also got some paper. It's got the cute dust bag. We'll set that aside. This big thing of plastic. And then it comes with crossbody straps, a silica gel thing that I don't want my pets getting into. And so different from the extra small, while it does come with the keyring attachment, it also comes with a pouch, which is super helpful. I can keep more stuff in here. And so it's about, if I compare my hand, see, it's about a little bigger than my hand. This is so lovely. And then the inside is exactly like the extra small. It's got the two mesh pockets on the side, and then it's got a zipped pocket on one side, which has the care instructions. This is, it's not the neoprene, so this is slightly different when it comes to care. And oh, there's more paper in here. There's nothing in here, right? Yeah, just paper. Okay. And then the other pocket is like, it's got a little Velcro strap just like the other one. And in here, you can't really fit anything huge. Like, let's see here, let me grab my iPad and my laptop for like size comparison. Okay, so here is my iPad Pro. This is the, I believe this is 9 or 10 inches, and I cannot fit it in the back pocket. It's like literally like a centimeter too big, but it does fit perfectly in the bag itself. It's perfect size. So that fits. Now my 13-inch MacBook Pro, this case is by Velvet Caviar, by the way. Yeah, so this is a 13-inch. It obviously will not fit in the back pocket, but it actually does fit in the bag itself. There we go. It fits, but you need to have the straps undone, because if they're strapped down, there's no way this will fit. But it fits, and can I zip it shut? Let me put my iPad in there too. Yes! So you can fit an iPad Pro, the smaller size, the 9 or 10 inch one, and you can fit a 13-inch MacBook Pro in here. But I have been told that the medium Landon, you can fit it in the back pocket. So if you're wondering for size comparisons, because when I was thinking of getting a small, I did not know if my laptop would fit, but it does, just not in the back pocket. And same with the iPad. It does, oh, I have it covered in stickers. Yeah, it won't fit in the back pocket, but this fits pretty much perfectly in the entire bag. So yeah, that's what this looks like. Oh, also in the back, it's got the little pocket for your phone. Where's my phone? All right, so here's my phone. My phone is an iPhone XS, not the Max, and it fits perfectly and you can't even see it, because in the extra small you can see it peeking out, but in this one it goes to about down here and it's a perfect fit. So sweet. So in the next clip I will show you what I keep in my extra small and what I keep in my small.